The UniFi Dream Router 7 is an all-in-one networking device that combines a router, firewall, and network video recorder into a single unit. It features Wi-Fi 7 support and multi-gigabit networking capabilities. There are two primary methods to set up your UniFi Dream Router: using the mobile app or through a web browser connection. Let's start with the mobile app method. Download the UniFi Network app on your iOS or Android device and ensure Bluetooth is enabled for device discovery. The mobile app provides a guided setup wizard. Open the app, ensure Bluetooth is enabled, and tap Setup New Device. The wizard will walk you through the entire configuration process, including creating your admin credentials. Alternatively, you can set up the router using a web browser. Connect your computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. The default IP address is typically 192.8.1.1. Enter this in your browser's address bar to access the setup interface. After completing the initial setup using either method, you'll be presented with the UniFi controller login screen. Enter the username and password you created during the setup process. These credentials will give you full administrative access to your UniFi Dream Router's management interface. Once logged in, you'll have access to the complete UniFi controller interface where you can configure and manage all aspects of your network. After completing the initial setup, you can access your UniFi Dream Router interface in two ways: remotely through the cloud or locally through your network. For remote access, simply navigate to unifi.ui.com in your web browser and log in with your Ubiquiti credentials. This provides convenient access from anywhere with an internet connection. Here's what the login interface looks like. You'll see the familiar UniFi branding with fields for your username and password. Creating a UI account is strongly recommended. This enables cloud access, remote management capabilities, and most importantly, automatic backups of your configuration. Once logged in, you can configure various important settings. Let me show you the key configuration areas you should know about. MAC address cloning may be required by some internet service providers. This setting allows your router to use your modem's MAC address if needed. Port configurations allow you to switch WAN and LAN roles as needed. This flexibility helps adapt to different network setups and requirements. Security settings are crucial for protecting your network. Enable threat detection and monitoring features to safeguard against potential security risks. Statistics retention settings control how much historical data your controller stores. Configure this to maintain network performance history for troubleshooting and analysis. Your UniFi Dream Router integrates seamlessly with the broader UniFi ecosystem, providing centralized management of all your network devices, access points, and security components.